Hi, this is Mike Wallach with Trimec. I want to show you a quick and easy way to create multiple configurations of a part. So with this plate, I only have the default configuration. My plate is 10 by 6, and I want to create multiple different versions of this part that have a different value for this dimension. So I'm going to right-click on that dimension and hit Configure Dimension. This brings up the Modify Configurations dialog box, and from here I can now create new configurations. So first I'm going to rename the default by right-clicking on the default cell here. I'll say Rename Configuration, and I'm going to call this one 6 for the value of that dimension. Say I want another one where that dimension is 10. So I'm going to click on the Creates a New Configuration cell and just type 10, the name of the new value. I'll hit Tab, and then let's expand that column. Now this one is highlighted, and I can change the value of the dimension right here, 10, but only for that configuration. Now I'm going to create another one where that value is 15. Make that 15. Tab again. See, I'll click on Creates a New Configuration again and make one that's 20. Change that to 20. Now I can create as many new configurations as I want doing this, but 4 will be enough for now. So I'm going to hit Apply, and those changes are done. They've been added to the model. So let's hit OK to close the dialog and see what we've got. I'm going to go over here to the Configuration Manager, and sure enough, I have 4 configurations. I can double click on each one, and each one is rebuilt as I click on it. There's my original. I can also change the order in which they're displayed by going to Tree Order. These are listed as literal. I'm going to make them numeric so that they're ordered sequentially. So that is a quick and easy way to create multiple different configurations. You can also do this with features. You can right-click on a feature in the tree, say this fillet, and hit Configure Feature. And then the dialog comes up and allows you to choose which configurations it's going to be suppressed or unsuppressed in. It's a very handy tool. Check it out. I hope you found that useful, and have a good day.